Hey folks, it's Tommy Z back again with another video. Today, a really short one and a spontaneous one. As I was going through my email this morning, I get a lot of emails from musicians every day, and though I want to answer everybody, I don't always get a chance to do that. But for some reason today, this email got me inspired to write a heartfelt letter to this person that I don't even know, to try to light a fire under them, to give them some basic advice, to give them some basic direction that hopefully will make some difference. And I thought, why not share it with you all? Maybe it will inspire some of you, and I'd love to hear from you if these words that I wrote to this person are significant to you, if they make a difference to you, if things like this, recording videos like this, make a difference to you. Please let me know. It makes me feel better about doing this kind of stuff, knowing that it's actually resonating with other people. So the essence of the email from this person was basically, how can I become a musician or be a part of something? Because that's all I want, and I want to prove and bring a different sound or melody to the world. So I sense a lot of desire, a lot of drive, a lot of energy, which this musician, this human being, just doesn't know how to channel. I mean, we live in a really fast, overwhelming world. Where do you start? How do you fit in to the rest of the world, right? And so I felt inspired to answer this person. And here is what I wrote. Number one, figure out your superpower in and out of the studio. Be brutally honest with yourself about what you can do on a world-class level and what you cannot do on a world-class level. Double down on the things that you're naturally drawn to, that you're naturally better at than other people. Number two, research all the available ways to make money for musicians. Choose and combine which one of these ways will work for you. That's a matter of research. The information is out there. You can put together a game plan, okay? The problem is not information. The problem is taking the time to do the research, making a short list, and pursuing the models that are gonna be ideal for you. Number three, put together a simple portfolio of your best musical moments. No more than 2 minutes. We live in a fast, busy world. Industry insiders don't have time to listen to minutes upon minutes of your music. Keep it short, 2 minutes. Put this portfolio front and center on a simple, crisp, charming website, which is a creative expression of who you are as a human being and as a creator. This is your business card. This is what's going to determine whether people reply to your emails or not. They're gonna get your email, they're gonna see there's this website, they're gonna take a very quick glance to see, who is this person that wrote me? Are they worth my time? I know it sounds brutal, but that's the way the world works, and we gotta get real about it. Don't write long biographies on your website or in your email. Challenge yourself to write about yourself in less than 5 sentences, and one of these sentences has to make me smile. Okay? Let your music, let your work, let the sound, and not your words, do the talking. Number four, get in the habit of writing 3 strangers a day. This could be potential clients, it could be potential collaborators, it could be your heroes that you've always admired and you wanted to reach out to them. You would be surprised how many people that you think are out of reach are actually going to reply to your email, because most people assume that people on top are not going to get back to them. And that's why most people won't email them. And you know what? Many times it's true. People on top won't get back to you. But if you keep emailing people on top, I can tell you from personal experience, you will be surprised how many of them actually answer you. Keep your emails short, crisp, humble, and focused not on you, but on the other person. Offer to serve them with your gifts. Make sure the link to your website is in your email signature. Number 5, when given an open door, do what it takes to overserve the person who gave you the opportunity. Over-deliver, surprise, do things that they didn't even ask for, but you know it will serve them well, it will solve their problem. Number 6, ask them to introduce you to others. And guess what? When you over-deliver, when you surprise people with your initiative, with your insight, with your problem solving, with your service, they're gonna introduce you to their friends gladly, right? Because you just made their day. Number 7, according to my best knowledge, you only have one life. Commit to follow your calling and strive to be the kind of craftsperson that others flock to. And lastly, the difference between amateurs and professionals is that professionals work on their craft every single day. It doesn't have to be 12 hours a day, make it half an hour a day, but every day. I put my money on a steady turtle over someone who works in frantic, sporadic bursts. Contact 3 people a day. That's 15 people a week. That's 60 people a month. That's 720 people a year. Something good has to happen, right? When you contact 720 people a year. Create 30 seconds of music every single day and start with a chorus. Don't fiddle with a hi-hat for 30 minutes. Get straight to the filling of the cookie, not the edges. If you work on a chorus every single day, that's gonna be 5 hooks a week. That's gonna be 20 hooks a month. That's gonna be 240 hooks a year. And when you do 240 choruses a year, of course, most will probably be bad, but there's gotta be at least 10 great ones out of the 240. There's gotta be at least 10 great choruses, great hooks that you can build remarkable songs around. And 10 songs a year, that's an album. That's a remarkable album every single year. And that's just by doing 1 hook a day, 30 seconds of music every single day. Choose consistency and quality over size and strength. Most of us will overestimate what we can do in a single day, but we will underestimate what we can do in a year. So make a list of cornerstone actions that you will commit to every single day. And just by taking these small steps every day on these cornerstone actions, you will outlast and outdo others who only work when they feel like it. Look, we all have different situations, obligations, we have families to feed, we have day jobs, we have stuff we have to do. But so do Olympic athletes on their way to a medal. Who will be responsible for their results? Only they will, and only you will be responsible for your results. You are the author of your life, of your career, and winning a medal or climbing Mount Everest doesn't happen overnight. If it did, it wouldn't be special and it wouldn't be worth fighting for. So realize your creative career is Mount Everest. You won't get there tomorrow. You might even slip and fall. You might even hurt yourself. You might feel like giving up. But as long as you don't, you haven't lost. There's still a chance to reach the top. But don't worry about the top today. Just worry about taking small steps every single day. And as long as you keep moving, it just becomes a matter of time. Don't wait for the clouds to clear. Don't wait for conditions to be perfect. Don't wait for others to give you permission or applause. And most of all, don't spend your life trying to please people who probably won't be at your funeral. In your last moments on this earth, only you will have to answer yourself. Was I true to my calling? Did I do my best? If you answer yes to both, you will die in peace regardless of whether the world gave you applause. Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't get crazy, don't talk, don't make huge promises. Just spend 30 minutes a day on the things and the people that matter to you most. That's the simplest and best way I know toward happiness, peace, prolific output, and quote-unquote success. All my best to you, my friend, whoever wrote me this email, and all my best to all of you watching. I'm sending you lots of positive energy, positive thoughts, and I hope that this video lit a bit of a fire under you. I know it lit a bit of a fire under me, so I thank you, dear human who wrote me this email, and I wish you all a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.